Hi, my name is Brian Drake here at the InfoComm 2026 at the Airtame booth, and today we are showcasing our brand new Airtame 3, specifically the dual screen feature sets that we have on this device. You can see behind me we have the Airtame 3 connected with our Logitech Rally Bar Mini, and I can show you just how easy it is to join into a video call and what the experience will look like in a dual screen environment. So I'll just take out my mobile phone and I can connect directly to the device. Once I connect, I'll have the option to join a call or share my screen. When I select join call, I'll just go ahead and cast the Teams meeting directly to my screen behind me. And once we join in, you'll see there's content already being shared from my colleague, and you'll see that the content will appear on the left-hand side of the screen, and then the gallery view will be here on the right-hand side. Just like that, so we have content on one side and then a gallery on the other side for our dual screen experience. For more information, please feel free to reach out to us at airtame.com. Thank you.